check in by 7 o'clock for our flight here. We're taking a little puddle jumper airplane heading up to do some salmon fishing off the coast of BC. This is a trip of a lifetime for most people. Luckily, in my lifetime, this is not the first time, but it is amazing. So stick with me. This video is going to cover every day. It's going to be a long video, but I'm going to do a little bit every single day. By the way, yesterday, 10,146 steps before I went to bed at the airport walking in still. I still didn't walk, so I probably got more than that, but I hit a 10,000 step day on an off day. Can you believe that? Life is good, people. Life is good. Well, it appears that it's not a puddle jumper. We've got ourselves an Avro RJ85 to take us from Calgary to Masset. There we go, let's get on. Now we're in Masset. You know you're far north when the airport has its own little airport dog to do, hang out with people. Here we go, salmon fishing off the coast of BC. Before we even get a rod in the water, we're surrounded by a pod of orcas. Yep. Seems like a lot of them right now. Here's our catch from day one. Okay, coming off the water, sunburnt like a tomato. My mistake, I should be wearing sunscreen. And had a good day on the water. I'm over 10,000 steps. It's amazing how many steps you take when you're on the ocean and the waves are pushing you around. We got her done. Can't believe it. 2 days in a row, 10,000 steps. I'll show my watch here in a little bit. Caught 3 good salmon. Kept them in the boat. Got 8 more to go, or 6 more. Not sure. Anyway, going out 2 more days. Here's a shot of the lodge that we were staying at, the Charlotte House. Heading out for dinner here. Going back down to the Bell Ringer for a big group dinner. There's 28 of us up here. And call it a night after that. Big day of fishing tomorrow.